so this is part 2 of shifting weight on the ground, and there's just a few more extra things I wanted to cover just to clear up some stuff. So in the previous video I was talking about this position here and then kind of leaning onto the back foot. Now the thing to remember is the back foot alone, you can have all your weight just on there and no weight on the knees. So what I mean is if you have 2 feet, for example, and then you lean back, you should be able to like come up like this, right? So now I'm literally just on the knees, right? So down, up, down, up. So this is still weight shifting, and I'll show you like here, here, here. Oh. So it does require a little bit of balance. You need to be able to go up and then down. So once you get the balance, then you should be good. But from this position, you can also turn the knees either direction, this way, here, but we can also turn the knees this way and then come down this way, or we could do like full circle with it. So we could like spin in circles with that kind of concept too, so just on our back feet. So you can take a lot of weight off your knees. Like if you're in this position here, it may be like a lot of strain on your knees to sit down really low. So you may want to just like come up onto your feet a little bit and just like almost take like a rest occasionally. So this is another good benefit of weight shifting, is you can almost like, because you're constantly shifting weight, the strain on your body is always in different muscles and parts of your legs and all that kind of stuff. So if you just stayed in one position, it would get a sore leg. For example, if you were just like this, just keep this leg up, eventually one muscle would get tired, right? But if you're always moving your legs around, you notice that that one muscle isn't being used, it's multiple muscles. So that's the same kind of concept when you're shifting weight, it's using multiple muscles, and you can actually save a little bit of fatigue on your body like that. Okay, so let's get back to this position here. Now when we're doing this, I also said sit on your back foot so you can move this front foot around. So this front foot could be doing like whatever it wants, because our weight is on the back foot, right? So with that same concept, you can also lift this knee off the ground too, like this. Knee comes up, knee, knee. I don't know if you can see it because the couch is there. Let's come forwards a little bit more so you might be able to see this easier. Knee up, or like this. Knee up, knee, knee. So you can do it like that. Knee, boom, 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 boom. Right? Because we're sitting almost on our feet. And we could even do like up, like down, down, up. So get your balance right. One knee down, one knee down, one knee up, other knee up. So it does require a little bit of balance. 1, 2. But we're doing it like this because we might want to go like slide out and then slide up, right? So that'll be the next one, sliding. Sliding your legs in and out of like this W position. Okay? Sliding. And there's other variations of that too, right? So we can slide into this position here, and then we can slide back, slide down, we can slide up and then slide across, right? So we can use that sliding concept. You constantly slide, 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 or slide like this. So the next one, look at this, by the way, shaggy rug, unreal. Okay, so the next concept is the ninja, right? So there's actually like 2 main positions of the ninja, which is sitting with the weight down, or there is a weight up. So this is like the sitting version where I'm like sitting down, ninja. Next version is like kind of like upright like this, like in the Z position. So like this, but the leg comes across like that. So the sitting version is just like, I'm going to sit down like this. And then we shift our way up. Okay, up, down. And then we can do all this stuff with our leg. So shift our way up, down, across, up, turn. Maybe we want to get back into the sitting ninja. So now all we do is bring this leg in, like here, boom, and sit down. And then we can like shift our way down, shift our way up, slide in, slide out, in, across, up, down. So you need to get used to like shifting your weight a lot, right? So the next kind of thing I was going to teach you is like following that same idea of going onto your toes to use like glides and stuff. So like we're here, this can slide, right? So one, now toe, up. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Now try it with two legs. This comes up, and then we can twist, lean back. Our knees come up, circle onto our toes. Our knees kind of shift. So our knees are going boom, boom, like that. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Okay, so you can do stuff like that. So that's also weight shifting. And if we can do it like that, we can also do it like from this position too, right? So we can like shift. We can like move around in this position too. So this leg can like constantly move around. It's a little bit more difficult, but we can shift in all these positions too. From here, the W, we can shift in the W, okay? Just because we're weight shifting, right? So another thing we can try from the W is, okay, like maybe not from the W, maybe like from this position. So actually, no, it is from the W. So this leg comes out, and then we bring this leg all the way around, okay? So we're going to be in the low W first, like sitting down, and then we're going to sit our way up, and then we're going to shift our way to the side. So this is an important thing. If we can be in this W and shift our way to the side, our legs can come up like this, right? 1, 2, 3. Because you want your legs to be able to come up for multiple reasons. One reason being the ninja, like I showed you. The other reason being, if we want to be able to get our leg on the inside, this has to come up too, right? So it has to be up, so we can bring our leg in. And this is where you want your leg to like be able to have that ability to come around. So if I'm here, we also want to be able to bring this leg up and in. Or if you're in a W position, you want to be able to like lift your leg up so you can come all the way around and then get into a new position from there. So let's show you just like a little demonstration of what I mean. So up, down, back down, shift the leg up again, back to the W, kick our leg up, around, boom, up, in, here, here, kick the leg around, and then into like different positions. So another reason is to get down, like shoot downs. So if we're like boom, boom, like getting down slowly, we want to be able to shift our weight down into that 1, maybe lift the leg up, 2, here, or you might want to just bring our legs up like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, okay? So being able to like level change and do all sorts of stuff like that too. So this video is going to be a little bit shorter than the previous video, but that's just some extra stuff I wanted to cover so you understand a little bit more about like shifting weight on the ground. Is there anything else I missed? I know like breakdancing or breaking, they have like their own ways of like shifting weight. So for breaking, it's like you can like lean breaking, right? So you can use like the leans and stuff to change all these positions. We can do that with like popping ground moves too, like leg out, leg in, hand, down, up. So we can go down, up, down, up like that. Or what we can do is a different variation, which is like a square, like this. 1. It's like a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can go down here, in, up, and we can like come down, up, down, up, down, up, and up, down, here, and come up, down, boom, stuff like that, okay? So there's a little weight shifting going on, even with like using your hands and all that kind of stuff too, right? What's the next thing? Like maybe coming onto your back would be the next step from now, I think. So figuring out like how you can go from like a sitting position and then like to your back, because there's so many different ways you can also get to your back as well. Wait, up, 1, 2, so 1 level, 2 level, 3 levels, 4. See how this is another level, all these different levels, right? Boom. Okay, hope that helps. So I'm going to finish the video here, and that gives you plenty of stuff to work with. Peace.